Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Google Pay couldn't get account balance, your bank servers didn't respond. Open Google Pay app. Click top right corner. Select your account. Click Remove Account. Click Settings. Click Apps and Notifications. Select Google Pay application. Click Storage and Cache. Click Clear Storage. Click OK to delete app data. Close apps. Open Google Pay. Type your mobile number. Click Next. Click Next. Check Use Google PIN. Click Allow. Click Allow. Click Account on top right corner. Click Add a bank account. Select your bank name. Click Send SMS. Click Continue. Bank account is successfully added. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.